It has a great achievement indeed. This is spectacular for our railway passengers.
It will be helpful for all the people, especially the commoners.
The water tastes wonderful.
There cannot be any better initiative. As a government employee, I feel the initiative is really.
I drank this safe water to my heart's content.
A bottle of mineral water costs about taka 30, and that can be easily saved now. I also have carrying this water in my bottle.
This initiative will have a far-reaching impact. It created ample opportunities for everyone to drink safe water, and now there is no need to buy water. Even we are also drinking this water.
Operated and maintained by the government, Bangladesh Railway (BR) is a leading state-owned transport organization with a staff strength of 3,000 and railway network of 3,000 kilometers. The BR maintains in the countrywide passenger movement. The number of passengers traveling by the BR stands at 7 crore 30 lakh every year. That marks an upward trend in the traffic volume. Taking a look at the existing facilities of Maijgaon railway station in the outskirts of Sylhet, we can evaluate how the BR meets the water demand of its passengers and staff.
Here we do not have drinking water facilities, but there is a shadow tube well near the old station. Majority of our passenger is ordinary people, and they suffer from various diseases drinking unsafe water.
Since there is no water in this station, so the problem of drinking water is acute. We buy water from outside.
Water that we used to get earlier was also not 100% safe.
Seats in the AC and first class compartments are limited, and the railway carriages maintain maximum space for the poor. These poor people do not have the capacity to spend Tika 10 to 20 to buy water.
The poor are the most affected in the absence of safe drinking water. Every year, 1 crore 80 lakh people die due to unavailability of safe drinking water. The Safe Water Supply Plant at Sylhet Railway Station has been set up to combat such a situation.
The BR passengers are generally ordinary people, and they have cordially accepted the safe drinking water facility jointly set up by BR, Robi and WaterAid for the railway passengers.
We have newly joined the job. We were suffering tremendously, particularly due to high quantity iron in the water of Sylhet. The water I drank now tasted well and hardly different.
So far we have set up safe water drinking plants in 6 railway stations. The number will be raised to 15 to 20 in the near future.
Free supply of safe drinking water has already been ensured for BR passengers in its 6 big railway stations. The railway stations where safe water plants have been set up include Komlapur and Airport at Dhaka, besides Chittagong, Khulna, Rajshahi and Sylhet. Capacity of each of these 6 installed water plants was drawn calculating the present highest turnout of passengers and the prospective future rise.
The turnout of passengers is 20 to 40,000 every day, is benefiting at least 10 to 15,000 people.
Daily we can support and supply 55,000 travelers with fresh water. It's a very successful project.
This water facility is for all, irrespective of rich, poor, big, small, literate or illiterate.
Robi provides financial support while WaterAid guarantees technical aspects like assurance of water quality and maintenance of hardware.
WaterAid randomly collects samples from those plants after every 3 months and tests them in different laboratories.
Our water quality tests are conducted either in ICD DRB, BUET or the DPHE. We maintain water quality as per the standards of GOB and WHO.
These plants have been developed from the most modern and latest technology, ensuring safe drinking water quality. Extracting groundwater by deep tube well, the BR reserves it in a huge tank, which is first sent to membrane filter to separate particles smaller than 1 micron and deposit partially purified water in the water sensor. From here, water goes to the UV filter, where it is freed from germs and safe drinking water is obtained, ready to be supplied to and consumed by the passengers.
These plants have been developed with the capacity of purifying and supplying 5,000 litres of water, simultaneously to meet the passengers' demand.
Installation of the plant makes fresh water easily available for the BR passengers and allows them to quench their thirst anytime. The plant provides not only drinking water but also maintains ablution facilities. Special arrangement for the disabled around it facilitates them to use water conveniently. Well-trained workers maintain round-the-clock supervision of the plant to ensure smooth supply of water.
We change the filter and fill the water tank. We also flush out dirty water and replace it with clean water.
3 caretakers monitor and observe this plant round the clock.
The water purification plant has been installed in such a space so that all the passengers can see it and use the water.
When I was going crazy for water, I noticed it was available here. My throat was drying. I came running here and started drinking water.
It is very beneficial to the public, and we are happy to be part of that.
We congratulate the WaterAid for technical support. Their contribution will be remembered with gratitude.
Many passengers now experience smooth and convenient journey due to availability of fresh water from the Safe Water plants installed in different railway stations. Covering small and big ones, BR has 440 railway stations. Do others not deserve similar water facility?
Water is the essence of life. People suffer and get affected by diseases when water is contaminated and not germ-free. I hope those who initiated it should extend it further.
Obviously, we want to extend the project to other railway stations and possibly also into areas where our travelers as well. We can think about bus travel and the relevant hubs for bus travel. So we are not at the end of the journey because we feel it is very successful.
Learning lessons from such activities, the BR Engineering Department should have been little more responsible to undertake similar projects in smaller stations at own initiative. Depending on social responsibility programs for solution is not enough. Other organizations may, however, come up with such similar projects.